Welcome to the Science and Play channel. Today, it looks like almost every science activity we keep saying is a magic. So, the word magic, but it's still magic. What we are going to do is magic. This marker drawings are going to float in water. For this floating drawing experiment, we only need two materials, just our plate and our dry erase markers. The dry erase markers, unlike our permanent markers, are not very adhesive. And so, adhesion is when two items stick together. But because this is not very adhesive, once we draw on the plate and we add our water, we will see our drawings floating in the water. And this is also insoluble in water, and so it's not going to dissolve. Kakra and Kofi, just any diagram, draw a love diagram, anything you want, numbers, alphabets, draw something on your plate. And let me show you the magic. We will link this to our last activity on the floating and sinking. We will see whether these are going to float or what. We are going to learn all about it again. Please cover your markers up. So this not being adhesive it's also the reason why you are able to wipe it off the whiteboard. Unlike the permanent marker. Let's cover it before it dries up. Now that we are done, please close your eyes. Let's experience the magic. Let's pour the water over it slowly. If we are able to get this right, we'll see our alphabets just floating. If we are not, we'll still have our ink floating, but maybe not the exact alphabets we are looking for. It's moving. Oh, so our A has a long leg here, but still, it's floating. Oh, see what is happening. Okay, can you see it? Our dancing now is no longer a letter. I don't know what it is now, but see it dancing on the surface of water, on the surface of water. But then it's not dissolved. Kofi, I'll do yours for you. It hasn't dissolved because it's insoluble. So can you see it? Let's see the blue one. You see the blue? I couldn't get the alphabets too, but I think we can see some shape floating on our water. Dancing, dancing. Something. Okay, what do we have here? Let's try Kofi's and see what happens. Oh, see. Slowly. Slowly. Can you see the ink floating on the water? You see the water is moving the one in the plate, even though we didn't pour it over it. See, it's slowly they are moving. Let's see if we can use our finger to lift it up. Kofi, let's try. Let me try it and see. So it's not dissolving, it's being lifted up. Okay. Yes, floating, it's occurring. What do we have here? Our dancing ink. Our dancing ink. Thank you for staying with us, and today we've still gone back to learn the concept. That is, an object being less dense will float, and so our ink is less dense than the water. That is why we see the ink floating. Our ink is not very adhesive. That is why we're able to wash it off the plate. Our ink is insoluble. That is why it hasn't dissolved in the water. This is the science behind this beautiful activity. You should try this. You can also do a control with a permanent marker and see whether it's able to move or not. But definitely you should see an ink dancing. I have seen a lot with the same alphabet or number, whatever was drawn on the plate dancing. I haven't been lucky with it. But the most important thing is that the ink was still dancing. Thank you very much. Bye.